Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing these Veronica mixed colours from Thompson and Morgan, first class border plant. These are a hardy perennial. You see there, unfussy perennial for boards and rockeries. Bushy and compact habit attracts beneficial butterflies to your garden. Germination takes 20 to 30 days at 59 to 68 Fahrenheit. Plant 12 to 14 inches to support. Prefers full sun. Sow under glass April, May, June, July. Well, I've got a heated greenhouse, so I'm going to be sowing these now. I've also got some grow lights I can put them under. So if you haven't got them, I would say wait till March, April and sow them on your windowsill if you haven't got a greenhouse. So first of all, should get these open. Get these open, folks. Get the sorted. Says there's 40 seeds in here. These are number 369. I think I got these while they were on offer. I think I did, I'm not quite sure. But yeah. Get the seeds. First of all, I'm using a mixture of J. Arthur Bauer's 50% multi-purpose, 50% Coca Cola. So just get it filled in like so. Then use your little DIY just to get it leveled out. Perfect. This, make a bigger one, but I prefer it this size. Get into these small trays perfectly. So into it this is. Let's have a look at the seed now, shall we? Let's look at these little beauties. Folks, hope everybody's keeping okay. I've had coronavirus for the last 3.5 weeks. I've just tested negative, so I can actually go back out now and mix with society, which is great. But yeah, they're the fine seeds there. All I need to do with these is give them a gentle tap, get them all off, yeah, like so, and then just take a little bit of this compost in both hands and just like so. Nice mix. And all you need to do is give it a little, this is already watered, this coir. It acts a little bit like peat. It's really good free draining and it holds a heck of a lot of moisture. So I'll water it like so. And I get the name tag in here. And then where this is going to go is then we shall put this round here. Little tray in the corner like so. 4 of these will fit in there nicely. I've got a nice little heat mat underneath. I've got a lid for it here, which is brilliant. So slide it on there. And here's my temperature gauge, which is 22.4 at the moment, so they are not switched on. So yeah, that's how to sow and grow Veronica mixed colours from Thompson Morgan. If you have any questions to ask, folks, if you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.